Welcome aboard Dazzzlr, a beautiful 1997 Beneteau 50, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The current, very knowledgeable owners purchased Dazzzlr in 2009 and have spent many enjoyable miles on her. This remarkable 1997 Beneteau 50 has been continuously well maintained and has received many upgrades throughout the years. The 1997 Beneteau 50 Custom Flagship Series model is a high-performance cruiser designed for both luxury and comfort. As part of Beneteau's renowned lineup, the Flagship Series combines a sophisticated interior with impressive sailing capabilities. The Beneteau 50 Custom is built with a sleek, modern design and solid construction. It boasts high-performance hull, which combined with its powerful rigging allows it to sail well in a variety of conditions from light winds to heavy weather. The boat has a clean and stylish design with emphasis on both performance and comfort. Equipped with a powerful sail plan and well-balanced hull, the boat's performance is appreciated in offshore and long-distance cruising. With a moderate displacement and fin keel, it's responsive under both power and sail. Beneteau is known for its high-quality build, and the 50 Custom is no exception. The hull is made with fiberglass with attention to weight and distribution and strength. The cockpit is designed for comfort and safety. It features twin stainless steel leather-wrapped wheels, an expansive cockpit table, and good ergonomics. The spacious open deck makes it easy to move around, and the cockpit is equipped with numerous storage lockers, making this boat practical for long trips. The cockpit is well protected by a custom Dodger and bimini, and is safe, secure, and comfortable while cruising and at anchor. At the end of the table, an excellent view of both helms is a Furling radar display. The large central teak table with folding leaves provide more than adequate room for meals. At the port helm are instruments and B&G autopilot controls. At the starboard helm are instruments, B&G autopilot controller, bow thruster controller, Garmin chart plotter, and access to the engine controls. Behind the helm is a very robust, custom-built arch with davit system that provides excellent support for a dinghy and for solar panels. At both helm stations are Lumar 66 electric winches, making this an easy-to-handle big boat. The cockpit design offers an excellent 360-degree view. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to easily access Lumar winches mounted on the cabin top. Additionally, the port winch is an electric winch. The companionway includes beautiful teak doors and a plexiglass hatch. Moving forward is easy with many secure handholds and stays that are positioned not to impede movement. The Beneteau 50 is equipped with a In-Mast Furling mainsail that provides safe and easy sail handling. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the oversized LaFrance windlass and the handheld remote controller. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with the wide companionway and wide steps. Once below, you are greeted with a bright and inviting interior, while the sizable saloon is bathed in natural light. Inside, the Beneteau 50 Custom features a spacious and luxurious layout. The Flagship Series model was designed with long-term cruising and offers ample living space with attention to detail. The interior is finished with wood cabinetry, a high-quality galley, and large windows for natural light. The main saloon area has a large dining table, comfortable seating, and plenty of storage. It's a perfect place for socializing while underway or relaxing in port. The spacious galley includes an island with counter space, storage, and a microwave. The stove is a Force 10 3-burner stove with oven. There is a 2-basin stainless steel sink and large in-counter refrigerator and freezer. Ample counter space and storage make it well suited for extended cruising. Aft and to port is the functional navigation station with desk and electronics. Equipment includes 2 VHF radios, chart plotter, radio, autopilot controller, breaker panels, along with much more. Moving forward, we enter the forward owner's cabin that includes a comfortable seating area, a desk area, and excellent storage options. To port is a queen-size bed that adds to the level of luxury and comfort. The private head is spacious and very functional and features shower, toilet, and 2 separate sides with stainless steel sinks on each side. Forward of the head is an enormous sail locker that provides plenty of space for multiple sails along with other equipment. Additionally, there is access to the deck from the space. Moving aft, we enter the starboard aft cabin. This Beneteau has 2 large aft cabins that are bright and comfortable spaces that have excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. Each aft cabin is equipped with its own private head and shower. The port aft cabin is also a bright and comfortable space that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed and excellent storage options. For owners or guests, these cabins are the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. The port cabin includes a head with toilet and shower. The engine is easily accessed on all 4 sides with plenty of room for maintenance. The engine and engine spaces are clean and have been meticulously maintained. The 88 horsepower Yacht turbo diesel is equipped with twin alternators and an engine-driven Seapower 5 kilowatt generator. Additionally, the boat is equipped with a Northern Lights 5 kilowatt diesel generator. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, Dazzzlr strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort and can take you anywhere you dream of going. To book your appointment to view Dazzzlr, contact Little Yacht Sales.